In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw straight lines in Affinity Designer. Let's keep this simple and clear. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clean, perfectly straight line using the pen tool, and how to make it look the way you want with a few helpful adjustments. First, open the Affinity Designer app on your computer. Once it's open, make sure you're in a document where you can draw. Either a new document or an existing one is fine. If you're starting fresh, pick any size you like. The straight line process is the same no matter the canvas. Zoom in a bit so you can see your line clearly and position your view where you plan to draw. Next, look to the toolbar on the left and choose the pen tool. Its icon looks like an old school fountain pen tip. You can also press the P key as a shortcut. At the top of the interface, you'll see options for stroke color, width, and more. Since we're drawing a line, set the fill to none and choose a stroke color that's easy to see against your background. Pick a comfortable stroke width. You can always change it later. Now let's draw the straight line. With the pen tool active, click once to place your starting point, move your cursor to where you want the line to end. To keep the line perfectly straight, hold the Shift key before your second click. Holding Shift constrains the angle to neat increments, great for perfectly horizontal, vertical, or 45-degree lines. While still holding Shift, click to place the second point. Press Enter or Escape to finish the path so the line doesn't keep extending. If you accidentally dragged on the first click and got a curve, just undo and click without dragging. 2 clean clicks make a straight segment. If snapping is enabled, you may notice your cursor magnetically aligning with guides or axes, which can help keep things tidy. If it isn't, no problem. Holding Shift is usually all you need. After the line is created, you can switch to the Move tool to position it precisely or adjust the stroke width, color, and caps in the stroke settings to fine-tune the look. Want a hairline thin divider or a bold accent line? Just tweak the stroke size. Need rounded ends? Choose a round cap for a softer finish. That's all there is to it. Open the app, select the pen tool, and draw your straight line with 2 clicks while holding Shift. Practice a few times and you'll have crisp lines on command.